Are you considering breaking into the home buying market and you want to buy a single family home, but you're not sure if you're ready for all the responsibilities that come with owning a home? Then new construction may be for you. And here's a few reasons why I like new construction. One, you don't have to worry as much about the maintenance or repairs, the worry that you might have to replace the roof in a few years or get a new hot water tank. A lot of that is eliminated from your concerns. Another reason is you can have some modern features. One thing I really liked about our new build is choosing something as simple as outlets. We have a traditional outlet, but we also have outlets where we can put in USB cords, which is super convenient. And then finally, you typically will have a more energy efficient home when you're buying new construction because technology is always advancing us forward. And that is a little bit of a weight off as well. As we head into the colder months, you know that you'll be heating your house for less. So those are a few reasons why new construction might be a good option for you.